guys, this is Shauna here with Shauna Ray's Vlog. I am back today with a video. So in today's video, I will be sharing my son's 13th birthday. We have two teenagers now. The oldest, he will be 15 January 3rd. So like 1 week after Christmas. So we have birthday, Christmas, birthday. So we are super busy. After Brendan's birthday in January, we have Josh's birthday. Then mine's February 3rd. So lots of celebrations happening in these few months. So we're excited. So many things to do, right? So I'm going to take you guys with us on our day. And I'm going to show you the decorations. And we didn't do a party. He's 13, so he said he didn't want to do a party. So I'm going to respect that because he does have a voice, right? So we're going to sing happy birthday and do all the things and take him to go eat and this and that. So go shopping. All right, guys, I'm going to take you guys with us. So come on, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. All right, so he's going to open up his birthday gifts, guys. I'm going to show you all this stuff in just a moment, but that is from Aunt Janice.
Mm-hmm.
Have a wonderful day. Happy birthday, Gigi. I hope you have a great day. Love you.
Yeah, probably.
Love
says,
Aunt Janice and Mike.
Janice and Mike. That one's from us. And that one's from.
That
Actually,
is,
that is from.
yeah, that's from Melissa, one of our friends here
Yeah.
on,
Thing's heavy, bro.
it
is.
is. That was super
That was
sweet,
a-
wasn't it?
That's a really nice car too. She really fixed it up, didn't she?
Oh,
Oh, that's what is that?
what are they, stickers?
Yes, stickers.
Stickers, like a sticker pad.
Mhm.
Oh, and it says I'm a pop-up.
Oh, that's
Okay, it's a
this
pop-up
is-
card, yeah. So when you open it, it should pop up, like it should pop out, and it slides in from this way. And then you pull it. Look right there, see? So you pull it out like that, bam, and then there it comes out. The little card part comes out.
Well, that's
To wish a
cool.
heroic happy birthday, one of the good guys. Hope it's awesome.
So I think she wrote some. Hold on, I think she wrote something on. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? I think she wrote something on the back. Yes, she did.
Right then, I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy birthday. Your friend from Texas, Melissa. Her last name's Duggar, right?
Yeah, Duggar.
That was nice.
That was super nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was nice.
Oh yeah, Dad. When we go out, when we come back from dinner, can I use that $20?
Yeah.
We already figured you were going to.
I figured you're probably gonna go out the store anyway.
Oh, it is. What is that?
I think it's supposed to be like,
like-
chocolate chip ice
yeah.
cream.
I mean, ice cream and chocolate chip.
Oh. What else the other one? Oh,
PlayStation cards.
Of course.
two more underwear.
No, that's not where.
Shirts.
Yeah, to go with your shoes and stuff.
I'm wearing that today.
He
And
said he's
that's
gonna
another
wear
Air
that
Force
today.
One shirt.
That's cool, huh?
I wore that shirt today.
And then.
So
what
this
does
is
that
that's the
Pull
money
it.
box. Pull it.
say? Pull it.
Hold on, you gotta pull slow, pull
Yeah,
slow.
pull slow.
What is this?
Actually, 30 ones. $30.
Was that fun or what?
$50 card in it. About 20.
Did you
Cool,
like
huh?
that,
You gotta
Lathan?
be careful though, because we gotta have to untape them.
Yeah, we're gonna have to untape
Who
them.
did this? Was that y'all?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we did it.
New jacket?
Yeah. And he already knows what's in the box.
Yeah, those are, he already knows those are his
So we wouldn't
shoes.
allow him to get them until today.
Dang, why is it so heavy?
Because they're big old clown shoes.
They're not clown shoes.
There you go. You like all your goodies?
Yep. So we're spending money.
So what do you say to everybody?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can just set them over there. We'll situate everything.
So let me show you the cookie cake. We're gonna go eat mug shots and stuff like that before we eat cake.
Oh yeah, I can probably get $50.
That's gonna be his candle, and then those are, that's the balloon arch, and this I paused my game to be here. That was hard, wasn't it, Josh? It took us like an hour to do because it came all separate, so we had to take it apart, redo it, take it apart, redo it.
It was crazy. It was, man, harder than it looks.
Yeah, you would think that it wasn't brain surgery, but it took us a minute. And we didn't do like a super large balloon arch because, you know, there's not the space for it. So I think it's cute, and I think it turned out.
Yeah.
You see glow in the dark balloons. So you got a green one and then a blue one. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, so cute, isn't it? We should have opened that other pack and did both of them green.
Mm-hmm.
But it's all right. I think it's cute, and he liked it. And that's how we did the table. So nothing fancy, just to recognize his 13th birthday because we're so proud of him. Oh my heavens. Ready?
Say
happy
birthday. Nothing. Oh, hold on. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear JJ. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Yep, make a wish, and then you have to blow hard because them jokers are. Yep. Them jokers were staying lit. They're supposed to be like a little.
Oh, wow.
There's like a little centerpiece I have to cut to stop it.
Hello, I'm Batman, and I just received a bat signal that someone awesome is having a birthday. You. So while we're out fighting crime, we hope you have a great time celebrating. And now, Robin, to the Batmobile. Happy birthday.
We're at Mug Shots. Have to go eat some burgers. It's real pretty out here. It's real pretty. Very pretty.
It's 2-7 in college.
But I don't think we're gonna beat Jordan.
Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. We took you guys with us. Say hello to Jelly Bean. Say hello to your friends. Hello. Say hello to your friends. Where are they? Where are they? Hello to your friends. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. We had a fun day, and we are going to get all our Christmas stuff. We used to wait until Thanksgiving to put, like, you know, the day of or the day before to do our tree and all that. But even the kids are asking about the tree. We just want to enjoy the lights and the coziness and all that that stuff. So we want to enjoy all the decorations longer than 30 days or 31 days. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And Lathan, thanks everyone that said happy birthday to him. I really do appreciate all my friends on here that told him happy birthday. Y'all are so sweet and we love you guys. Bye, and y'all have a blessed day, okay? Oh, don't forget, give it a thumbs up if you like today's video and subscribe if you're not already. Bye guys, and I'll see y'all in my next one.